Hi there, so we'll be showing you around our 2014 Vauxhall Astra in grey. Take you around the bodywork, then I'll take you inside and I'll show you all the features. Starts with the front left quarter, round to the front, moving down the right hand side, right quarter, front right wheel, good tread on the tyres, some curbing on the wheels, but overall in good condition. Got some elite badging there. A couple of small marks on that back right door. Back right wheel, good condition with good tread on the tyres. Round to the back right. Back left wheel. Again, no curbing and good tread on the tyres. Just being MOT'd. Same with the front left wheel. So overall the bodywork on the outside of the car is in pretty good condition, especially considering the age of the vehicle. And with the miles, there's a couple of small marks, but nothing too big, nothing major. Coming inside, you've got this full black leather interior. Electric mirrors and windows. Automatic lights. Digital speedometer, and as you can see on the clock we have 75,956 miles. Coming over to the radio. FM radio, AM radio. We've got a CD player, an auxiliary input and Bluetooth telephone. Coming on here you've got your heated seats and your dual zone climate control. And there you can see here you've got your auxiliary input, and then here you've got a 12-volt port. Here's your automatic gear shifter, 3 cup holders, a leather bound handbrake, and you've got some extra storage in here as well. Over here you've got your cruise control and your speed limiter, and here you've got your audio controls and telephone controls. And that pretty much sums it up. If you're interested in booking a viewing on the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 833 781. The car comes with a 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT and 1-year AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us as a company or any of our stock, please check out our website playlistforcar.com. Hope you're well, hope to speak to you soon. Bye bye.